as well as on your box of success criteria, putting these, you are also going to go back and look at those 4 non-chronological reports, and you're going to create a key. Remember what key is? Yeah, and you're going to colour code the features. So it might be that you are going to, now if you're doing this on Caesar, it's much easier because you can highlight. I'm going to do all my pictures in blue. And we've looked at all those pictures actually are mainly photographs, aren't they, of the time. I might do my captions in yellow, draw around them or highlight them. Facts, information, non-fiction. That's kind of a general, isn't it, about a non-chronological report. So maybe I'll do my heading in purple, orange for my paragraphs, my general paragraph, and, oh, last one, green for the introductory paragraph. The reason I'm not saying to colour code this one, which says facts, info, non-fiction, why are you not going to colour code that, do you think? Why are you not going to put that on your key?
Is it because it's already to do with...
This is what the whole thing is. You just do the whole of it, wouldn't you? That's much more actually related to what a non-chronological report is generally. Okay. So yes, there might be some non-chronological reports have fact boxes, don't they? Like a did you know box. Remember we used to put those on the end. So some of them might have some additional facts as in like a did you know box, so you might identify that as well. So that's your next job. Going back through the 4 non-chronological reports on rationing and identifying those features. It was going to help you see how you set it out. So for looking at our end task in a couple of weeks, your end task is going to be writing a non-chronological report. I will tell you what that's actually going to be about later on this week. But you need to identify where is the headings generally going to be. Not even generally, always going to be. At the top, at the beginning. Because why? Because the whole point of it is to tell you what the page is about, isn't it? So where's your introductory paragraph going to be? At the top of the page, near the heading. Because there's no point in having an introduction at the end. You might identify they have a conclusion paragraph. That might be something, as you read them, because you're going to be reading them a bit more now, as you read them, you might actually know, or they'll have a conclusion as well. So that might be something you need to add to your structure, to your success criteria, and you might want a different colour for that as well. Okay? So this is by no means a definitive list. I'm not saying that's it, that's the only things you're going to find. You might, like I say, identify other things that they all seem to have in common as well. These are the main ones. So you need a key, which is basically just what I've done there. And you need to go back through all 4 documents, and I would probably draw boxes around, so maybe draw a box around the heading, draw a box around the introductory paragraph, maybe just at the side of the other paragraph, just so you can still read the words, but you can still see, it's more thinking about the layout of it, the structure of the report, rather than the grammar side of things. Does that make sense? Yeah, off we go then.